I'll always be with you.
I'll always be with you.
I will always be with you.
And wherever I go, she will always be with me.
If you look with your heart, I'll always be with you.
I'll always be with you, Mom.
I love you guys. And I'll always be with you.
I can't lose you two.
Hero, I will always be with you.
I can't leave you.
You never will. No matter what happens to me, I'll always be with you. Forever.
Thank you for saving my life. I love you, Richard Parker. You'll always be with me.
I love you, Sarah. I always will.
I need you.
I'll always be with you.
We'll be together again. You stay strong, my little prince. I'll always be with you.
I hope you will also find happiness.
May the Great Spirit always be with you.
I'll always be with you.
You'll always be with me.
Change the game without even knowing.
And you'll always be my brother.